Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Globe Wanderer. I'm Johi. I'm back again to show you my favorite city, the floating city, the people call it, that is Venice. As you can see, we are already in the Grand Canal. That is right outside the train station. I just gotten out of the train station. We are waiting in the queue. We bought a ticket for the water taxi. You can see the boat. These boats are a means of transport for the public to go from one place to the other. These are cheaper than the private boats. Private boats can be really expensive if you want to rent them for the day to stroll around the city. But I would recommend you can just go by the water taxi to the destination you want, and then I would recommend go by foot. Trust me, only then you can see the real beauty of Venice.
Do you know that earlier there was only marshy, muddy lagoon on a small island? Venice's early settlers had to drain areas of the lagoon, dig canals, and shore up the bank to prepare them for building on. They began digging canals and lining them by wooden stakes. They used water-resistant alder wood through the sands and mud to rest on the harder clay. Then, by placing beautiful stones, they built a miraculous floating city from humble origins that's called Venice now.
Just some evidence how crazy you guys are.
Oh my god, you are so mean.
Guys, say hi. Hi.
Venice! Woo!
Crazy ass bitches.
So now we are at the Piazza San Marco, that is also known as St. Mark's Square. It is the only widest rectangular design open land in the waterbound city. Napoleon quoted this place as the drawing room of Europe. The slender Campanile di San Marco, the Basilica's bell tower, are one of the most recognizable landmarks on the square. This short layover has ended with my heart filled with beautiful romantic memories. I really do not want to go back, but I know this is not it. We have many more destinations awaiting for us. So for them, do not forget to like, share and comment down below for your valuable suggestions, and subscribe the channel for more beautiful destinations. Thank you very much for watching the video.